Lintel ATV 21 Automatic Laboratory Tester for Determination of Flash Point in Closed Cup. It's used for quality control of oil products in accordance with Russian and international standards. Scope of supply includes the tester, 2 cups, operation manual, passport, certification program and procedure. Lintel ATV 21 has several advantages over similar testers. Automatic placement of sensors and actuators in the cup provides complete automation of the test process without requiring any outside intervention. The operator only needs to install the filled cup, select the required test program and press the test button. Automatic flash detection and atmospheric pressure correction based on the readings of the built-in pressure sensor provide accurate detection of the flash temperature in the range of 12 to 370 degrees Celsius. Unique design of the built-in electric spark ignition. There is no open flame. There is no risk of fire in the laboratory. Automatic ignition with an electric spark of controlled power for complete simulation of gas ball 4 mm in diameter ensures the repeatability and reproducibility of the test results on the working products regulated by standards. Color graphic display and human-friendly user interface allows quickly become familiar with the tester and start testing products, as well as provide users with all necessary information about parameters of the test process, including diagram of the product heating rate. 2 cup with built-in heater allows performing a series of consecutive tests and reduces the time to get the result. For the test, the product is powered into the cup to the risk, not allowing the wetting of the walls of the cup above the indicated mark. After closing the cup with the cover, it is necessary to check the position of the cover shutter, the contact to the surface of the cover and the closing of the windows. The temperature of the cup and the product should be at least 17 degrees below the expected flash point. 2 test modes are realized in the tester Lintel ATV 21. The Express Test mode is intended for testing products with unknown flash temperature. A mode with pre-installed test programs is intended for testing samples with a known flash point. Each test program contains a standard and test parameters. Therefore, when selecting a product name, all necessary parameters and test conditions are set and maintained automatically. To perform the test, the operator only needs to install the filled cup, select the necessary product and click the test button. The flash point is taken as the corrected reading of the digital temperature meter when the first flame clearly appears above the surface of the product inside the cup, taking into account the atmospheric pressure correction. A sound signal indicates that the test process has stopped. The display shows the flash point of the product. All test data is stored in the tester log. The log stores up to 100 test results and 100 latest graphics. For most Lintel ATV 21 analogs, the cup cover is fixed on the lever. During the test, carbon deposits between the shutter and the cover create a gap that affects the validity of the test results. This problem does not occur with the Lintel ATV 21, since the shutter is easily removed and washed. The company carries out warranty and post-warranty service of the devices. A customer technical support is provided. For more information about our company and products, please visit the official website. On our website, you can find the current price list, characteristics, and documentation for the devices.